Hello guys and welcome back po dito sa Automathing. So for this video, pag-uusapan po natin ang completing the square. So for example, meron po tayong equation na ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So sa number 1, sabi po dito, if a is not equal to 1, then divide the quadratic by a. For example, meron po tayo dito 2x squared plus 8x minus 8 equals 0. Take note po, ito pong a, yan po ay tinatawag natin na coefficient of x. So, ito, a is the coefficient of x squared. So, bali dito sa ating example, 2 is a coefficient of x squared. Tapos si b is 8. Ang si c po natin ay yan si 8. So, if hindi daw po a is equal to negative 1, no, so, if a is not equal to negative 1, dapat daw po i-divide natin yung ating quadratic by a. So, for example po ito, kailangan po natin yan i-divide isa-isa by a. Okay? So, like, divide natin yan 2 kasi ang a po natin dito ay si 2. Divide po natin yan by 2. Okay? Tapos, step number 2, you have to write the quadratic in the form. So, ganito. X squared plus bx equals c. So, dapat po i-transpose po natin yung ating constant or si c dun sa kabila. Then, third, add b over 2 squared. So, take note po, ito, si b over 2 squared. So, ang b po natin dito is si 8. Okay? So, si b natin dito is equal to 8. So, mag-add daw po tayo ng b over 2 squared. So, ganun po, no? Yan po si b over 2 squared. Then, you have to add that to both sides of the equation. So, both sides of the equation, i-insert po natin dito at saka dito. And then, you have to factor the left side of the equation into a perfect square. So, factor po natin yung ating left side of the equation into a perfect square. Then, you have to square root both sides of the equation and solve for x. So, yun po yung mga steps kung paano po natin isolve yung ating quadratic equation. So, meron po tayong example po dito. First is si x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So, yung a po natin dito is equal to 1. So, there's no need for us to divide the equation by a. Kasi po, pag wala pong nakalagay dyan na numero, that is implied na a is equal to 1. So, diretso na po tayo sa ating step number 2. Dapat po, i-transfer po natin si 3 sa kabilang side. So, magiging x squared plus 4x is equal to negative 3. Again, if we will transpose a number from this side to the other side, ang sign po niya ay maiiba. Okay? Sa positive, from positive, magiging negative. After that, we have to add, okay, add b over 2 squared on both sides of our equation. So, magiging x squared plus 4x plus, yung b po natin dito is, yan, c, number 4. So, that's 4 over 2 squared. Then, dito rin po sa kabila, okay, that's plus 4 over 2 squared. Okay po. So, pagkatapos po nun, what is 4 over 2 squared? So, that is, yan, magiging, that's 2, diba pa? By 2 squared is equal to negative 3 plus 2 squared din po. Pagkatapos, ano yung next step po natin? Sabi niya, i-factor po natin ang left side sa ating equation into a perfect square. So, dapat i-factor po natin yung side na to. Okay, sa pag-factor po natin sa side na to, very easy lang po. Okay, so ito, rewrite lang natin. Okay, so rewrite natin dyan. Magiging, x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared. Yung sa kabila, negative 3. 2 squared is 4. So, negative 3 plus 4 po yan. So, para po ma-factor po natin to, gagawin lang po natin is x. So, copy po natin sa x, tapos plus, ayan, tapos ito po, 2, then ito, squared. Tapos, this side, negative 3 plus 4, that is equal to 1. So, ganun lang po mag-factor. So, itong x, copy dyan. Itong positive, copy dyan. Si 2, copy dyan. Itong 2, copy po natin dyan. And ito po, negative 3 plus 4. So, ayan na po siya. Ang next po natin na gagawin is, we have to take the square root. Okay? So, both sides para po maka-cancel po natin si square dito. So, let's rewrite that again. X plus 2 squared is equal to 1. So, let's take the square root sa both sides. So, ito maka-cancel. So, ang matitira in this side is x plus 2 na lang po. Tapos dito, square root of 1. So, what is square root of 1? So, square root of 1 po is just plus minus 1 po yan. So, ngayon po, para makuha po natin yung ating roots po dito dahil meron po tayong dalawang value ng x. So, let's go to the next page. So, copy lang natin to. So, meron po tayong x plus 2 is equal to positive negative 1. Okay? So, ang first root po natin, x plus 2 is equal to positive 1. Yung isa, x plus 2 is equal to negative 1. So, yung positive at negative, dito po yan. Okay? This from here. So, itong 2 natin, transpose natin dyan para makuha po natin yung x. So, positive 1 minus 2. So, yung first root po natin ay, yan siya, that is negative 1. Ang second naman po, lagyan lang natin yan ng x2, transfer din po natin si positive 2. So, magiging negative 1 minus 2 po yan. So, yung second po natin na value ni x is negative 3. So, ito po yung answer natin sa ating first example. Kasi po pag quadratic po yan, meron po tayong dalawang value ng ating x. So, for our second example, meron po tayo ditong 2x squared. Yan siya, plus 8x minus 8 equals 0. So, makikita nyo po dito, yung a po natin dito is not 1. Our a is 2. Ito po siya, no? That's our a. So, ang gagawin po natin is, you have to divide this 1 to 2. Okay? Para, ayan. Ang matitira na lang po dito, kasi makakancel po yung 2 is x squared. Tapos dito po, 8 divided by 2, 4x na lang po. Tapos dito po, negative 8 divided by 2, that's negative 4. Of course, 0 over 2, that is 0. Pagkatapos, let's transfer or transpose natin sa negative 4 to the other side. Magiging x squared plus 4x is equal to 4. Okay, so ngayon ay add na po natin both equations, C, b over 2 squared, which is this time is 4 over 2 squared. Okay, so i-add natin siya. Let's continue. X squared plus 4x plus, okay, si 4 over 2 squared is equal to 4 plus 4 over 2 squared. So, pagkatapos po, i-simplify lang natin itong 4 over 2, ano? Para magiging, that's 2 squared. Di po ba? Tapos dito po, ayan siya, 2 squared. Then siya. So, ngayon, ipa-factor na po natin, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, itong si x, copy natin dyan. Itong plus sign dito, copy din natin dyan. Itong si 2 dito, copy natin dyan. At saka itong si 2, magiging exponent din po natin yan. Tapos, itong 4, i-add natin siya together. 2 squared is actually equal to 4. So, 4 plus 4, that is equal po to 8. Okay? Then, we have to take the square root sa both sides ng ating equation. So, square root. Ito din po, square root para makancel po natin yan. So, rewrite lang po natin yung matitira dito. So, magiging x plus 2 na lang po yan. Tapos dito po, is equal to, Yung square root of 8 po natin, okay, plus minus po yan. So, square root of 8, okay, is actually po equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2. Okay, take note, si square root of 4 po is a perfect square, which is square root of 4 is 2. So, magiging 2 square root of 2 po yan. So, we can rewrite square root of 8 to 2 square root of 2. So, pwede po natin itong i-rewrite dito sa baba. X plus 2 is equal to plus minus 2 square root of 2. Okay, so meron po tayong dalawang answers kasi dalawa po yung value natin kay x. Ang isa si x plus 2 is equal to itong positive plus 2 square root of 2. Positive po yan. Ang isa naman, x plus 2 is equal to negative 2 square root of 2. Okay, so transfer po natin yan si 2, magiging x is equal to 2 square root of 2. Yan siya. Minus 2. Ito naman sa kabila, transfer din natin yan. Magiging, yan siya, negative 2 square root of 2. Yan, minus 2 po. Or pwede po natin yung i-rewrite as negative 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Okay, yan po yung tamang pag-arrange po ng ating answer. Ayan siya. Tapos negative 2 minus 2 square root of 2. So, yun po yung ating root number 1, yung value natin sa ating x. So, value ng x natin is this one. So, dalawa po. Okay, kasi quadratic po yung ating equation. So, for our example number 3, we have here 2x squared minus 8x plus 9 is equal to 0. Take note po, ito pong si 9 ay hindi po siya divisible by 2. So, hindi po natin i-divide directly the equation into 2. Ang gagawin po natin is i-transpose po natin. Let's transpose 9 to the other side. So, magiging 2x squared minus 8x is equal to negative 9 po yan. Tapos, ang gagawin po natin is if-factor po natin yung ating coefficient. So, makikita nyo po, si 8, we can divide it by 2. So, if we will factor 2, magiging x squared po yan. Tapos dito, 4x. Po ba? Ayan, 4x is equal to negative 9. So, ngayon, i-apply na po natin si b over 2 squared, which is in this case, ay, yan po, makikita natin dito si, ayan siya, 4 over 2 squared din. Okay? So, ngayon, rewrite lang natin sila, 2x squared minus 4x plus, ayan siya, ito po, di ba, that's 2 squared. So, sulat na lang natin, 2 squared is equal to negative 9. Now, yung i-add po natin dito ay hindi lang po si 2 squared. Kasi po, take note, meron po tayo ditong 2, okay, sa labas. Kasi it will be distributed dito sa loob ng parenthesis. So, dapat po, meron po tayong 2 times 2 raised to 2. So, ganun po, no? Tapos ngayon, rewrite natin sila dito sa taas. Okay, rewrite muna natin 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 squared. So, ngayon, ito magiging negative 9 plus 2 times 2 raised to 2. So, this one is, magkano yan? This is 4 times 2. So, that's 8. This one is 8. Okay, 8 minus 9, that's negative 1. Okay? So, dito po, para po ma-factor po natin yan, copy lang po natin si 2. Tapos, ito, again, copy natin si x. This is negative, so copy lang po natin si negative. And then, copy din po natin si 2 dyan sa baba. And then, si 2 din po dito. Okay? That's equal to negative 1. So, ilagay po natin dito yung ating nakuha kanina. So, that's minus 2 raised to 2 is equal to negative 1. So, ngayon ang gagawin natin is we have to divide both sides by 2 para ma-cancel out po natin dito si 2. Ayan, para yung matitira dito sa left side will be this one na lang, tapos negative 1/2. Then we have to take the square root, okay, sa both sides para ma-cancel po itong 2, para ang matira is x negative 2 na lang in this side. Tapos dito po, we have plus minus square root of negative 1/2. So now, take note po that the square root of a negative number is imaginary. So there's no answer po sa mga square root ng mga negative number. That is imaginary. Okay? So this one, we can rewrite this one as x minus 2 is equal to plus minus itong si square root of negative 1. So, square root of negative 1 is imaginary po yan. Okay? So, that is I yung ilalagay natin. Tapos, meron po dyang square root of 2. Okay? So, if we will rationalize our answer, ito, we have to multiply this one ng square root of 2. Okay? That is called rationalizing. So, ang tawag dito po is rationalize. Okay? Let's rationalize. Para po, yung matitira po will become x minus 2 will become plus minus, and our answer will become square root of 2i over 2 po yan. Okay? 2 po yan. Let's erase that one first. Okay? That's 2. Okay? 2 po yan. Ayan siya. So, transfer mo lang itong negative 2 dito. So, our answer will be, that's positive po yan. Magiging positive kasi negative. Transfer, magiging positive. So, that's 2 plus minus square root of 2i all over 2. So, ito po yung ating answer sa ating third problem. So, that's plus minus pa rin po. We still have 2 roots. So, ganun po, paano po natin i-solve our quadratic equation by completing the square. So, sana po meron kayong natutunan, and see you po on my next video.